Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at the Boss Audio System's CH6530 Chaos Series 6.5-inch car door speakers. A set that stands out as the best car speakers set for anyone looking to upgrade their car audio experience. When it comes to sound quality and power, the Boss Audio CH6530 delivers an exceptional performance. With 300 watts of peak power handling and 150 watts of RMS power, these speakers provide a powerful, clear sound that can easily fill any car with immersive music. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or just cruising on the highway, you can count on these speakers to deliver consistent, high-quality audio without distortion. The CH6530 speakers feature a three-way coaxial design, which includes a 6.5-inch woofer, a 1-inch polyimide dome midrange, and a 0.5-inch piezoelectric tweeter. This combination ensures a wide frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, giving you rich, full-range sound. The poly injection cone helps improve sound clarity, while the rubber surround enhances durability, making these speakers long-lasting and able to withstand different weather conditions. One of the standout features of these speakers is the high-temperature voice coil. This ensures that the speakers can handle extended periods of high performance without losing their integrity. Whether you're pushing the volume to its limits or just enjoying some low-key tunes, the Boss Audio CH6530 is built to handle it all. Installation is a breeze with the Boss Audio CH6530. With a standard 6.5-inch size and a mounting depth of just 2.1 inches. These speakers are designed to fit most car doors without needing major modifications. Plus, they come with a set of grills to protect the speaker's surface, ensuring that they stay looking as good as they sound. Not only are these speakers built for performance, but they also feature a sleek, stylish design. The red accents on the speakers make them an attractive addition to any vehicle's interior. And with a sensitivity of 90 decibels at 1 watt, 1 meter, they are incredibly efficient, meaning you don't need a massive amplifier to get the most out of them. For those looking for a reliable and high-performing speaker set, the Boss Audio CH6530 Chaos Series 6.5-inch speakers provide incredible value. Whether you're upgrading your factory car speakers or replacing old, worn-out ones, these speakers will improve your car's audio system significantly. If you're ready to bring your car's audio system to the next level, the Boss Audio System's CH6530 Chaos Series 6.5-inch car door speakers are definitely worth considering. With their impressive power, durable design, and superior sound quality, they're sure to make every drive a more enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews like this one.